Here's how you can find your lost Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So, in order to find your lost Android phone, first of all, you have to enable the settings on your device. Open up settings on your device, then search for Find Hub. You could type in Find Hub or you could just scroll down and look for it as well. Here it is. Toggle the button for Find Hub and make sure that this particular option is toggled on. Once you've done this, now exit out, open up Find Hub app, or you could also use the browser version as well. So in my case, I'm going to use the Find Hub app. This is the one. Now what here you need to do is you need to sign in using your email address or your Google account. So after you're done signing in, what you need to do is simply select this icon at the very bottom. Simply select this icon, simply tap on it, and you could find where your device is actually. You could go ahead and zoom it out, and this way you should be able to find your lost Android phone. So likewise, you could go ahead and do this. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.